You may find it easier to assemble the settee with the help of a friend. Feed one 1 3/4 inch flat tip screw through the right back leg to the right arm as shown. For quicker assembly, you can use a drill and 4mm hex bit in place of the provided 4mm T-handle hex key. Repeat this step to attach the left back leg to the left arm. Next, attach the assembled right side frame to the seat using 3 1 3/4 inch flat tip screws. Repeat this step to attach the left side frame to the seat. Attach the back piece between the side frames using 2 1.5 inch bolts and 2 3-inch screws. Use one 2-inch screw to attach the back piece to the seat and tighten as shown. Finally, attach the gussets to the bottom of the seat and the inside of the legs using 2 2-inch screws as shown. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.